Which light would you rather put inside this door in order to take out this door actuator? This one? Okay. Big fat body of the light in your way. Look at the size of it. And it can only pivot like this. If I wanted to attach it to the outside door skin, I couldn't. I couldn't because it can't bend at that angle. Or you throw this light away. You take your Milwaukee or your Dewalt battery that you already own that powers your ratchets and impact on. This one happens to be a Dewalt 12 volt, but I make this in M12 Milwaukee. Take this and attach that to there. There's your battery pack. Plug the wire in, and here you have a 12-inch flexible 12-inch light, 1300 lumens. I'm going to put this inside the door. I'm going to turn it on. And now, move that any way you want inside the door. And while it's inside the door, turn it at any angle you want. 360-degree rotation like a ballerina or like an airplane propeller. This is called the Goose-Grip Swivel-Stick work light. And this can just go anywhere. .360-degree rotation. Any angle, any pitch. Lifetime warranty available on Goose-Grip.com. You can buy the light without the battery supply housing or with the housing. Not a big difference in price between them. But this is called Goose-Grip. There's no other light like it. I'm a small company, but it doesn't mean that I can't make the best light than any automotive technician would ever use. I'm fixing cars 45 years. I made what needed to exist. And this isn't the only light. This isn't even the best seller. There's 3 other lights on Goose-Grip.com. You take a look. All of them lifetime warranty. The details of the warranty are on the website. Take a look. It's a no-brainer. And for those few of you that are going to say that your $40 or your $22 headlight is the best, okay, that's fine. If you're happy with that, I'm not going to try to flip you. But for the professional mechanic, you can't unsee this. You can't. This is a no-brainer. Thanks for watching the video.